Dynamech Engineers welcomes you to the world of Snackspreneurship. If you have also dreamed of becoming an entrepreneur, if you also have the desire to become a brand, then Dynamech Engineers is with you. We will make your dream come true because we are not just a company, we are Snacks Engineers. The small foundation led by Mr. Manohar Mirchandani, the founder of Dynamech Engineers in 1985, after winning the gold medal in 1976 in engineering, has grown into an empire today. How to make the best products with the least cost is the motto of Dynamech Engineers. The machines based on our designed technology are performing amazingly in snack food production not only in India but all over the world. Be it any snack food product manufacturing industry, Dynamech Engineers have got solution for all your problems. Making real fried potato chips or sticks, Indian ethnic snacks like save or other salty products, extruded snacks and crisp or fried pellets, banana chips or tapioca chips, fried frozen food. Dynamech Engineers have such machines which prepare every product in a jiffy. Dynamech Engineers have mastered not only in the technology of making machines but also in making and providing quality spices, seasoning and recipes. For all the processes like frying, seasoning, heating, cooling, slicing, Dynamech Engineers have designed multiple automatic machines including extrusion, continuous centrifuge, coating system, heat exchanger, direct edible oil and indirect, biomass fuel pellet burner, biomass wood heat exchanger, auto feeder, auto kneader, continuous kneader for dough, washer, fryer, dryer. With the help of these machines, thousands of snacks manufacturers from 450 cities, not only in India but also in 20 countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, UK, US, Africa, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Australia and Canada have earned the title of Snacks brand. After all, Dynamech Engineers are Snacks Engineers.